Hello, welcome to the AC Silver store and channel. I'm going to talk to you today about this quite exceptional claret jug, made in the Armada style in the Victorian period. The makers are Walter and John Barnard, quite prevalent and important makers of their time, always produced fine work. Now, although this style is it's not uncommon, to locate ones in this such exceptional condition is quite rare. Obviously, it's got a lovely and beautiful, fine chased decoration with these highlights, cast and applied highlights, made of a really substantial gauge of silver, 40.73 ounces. So superior in the use of metal that's being used. An additional sign of quality is this lever action. Makes it very easy to use. Retains the original gilding to the interior, a further sign of quality. So yes, just a truly exceptional example, and the types of article I'm always looking to include within the inventory. Not just a fine example of its type, but one that's almost in this unused, pristine condition. This guarantees, I feel, when actually selling it to a retail client, that it meets or exceeds expectations, as it's something that I think a lot of people can't come to terms with. Something that's over 150 years old can still be maintained in this beautiful condition. And that's often the case, that these types of articles will have been used only on special occasions, would have been kept away, in a sideboard, brought out just once in a while. So very rarely used, and certainly not overly polished. Again, the indication is this beautiful sharp decoration, the deeply struck hallmarks which remain very, very clear. So everything about this claret jug just sets it aside from other examples. If, however, you required any further information about the jug, do drop us an email or telephone the store, and I personally will be happy to answer any further queries or questions you may have. In the meantime, however, I thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.